Here's a standard DrumPreserve system that's on a stainless steel drum of vegetable oil. And the oil's at 57 degrees. We're just going to do a test to show how long it takes to flow a gallon of vegetable oil viscosity fluid through a standard system. So if you're ready, I'm going to start flowing it. And when you see the material start to go, start the timer. Okay, we're ready. We got 5 psi of nitrogen on the headspace in the drum. Okay, are we ready?
Ready.
Shut it off a little early so we don't overflow it. And that's pretty good. There's a gallon.
25.11 seconds.
Okay, thanks. Okay, now I'm going to pour this back in the drum and we're going to switch to a high flow unit and check that. Okay, we've just refilled the small drum with vegetable oil that we had pumped out with the standard DrumPreserve system, and this is the high flow unit. What it's got is all 3/16 stainless, 3 or half-inch pipe fittings, stainless steel all the way, and a stainless steel siphon tube that goes to the bottom. And again, we got 5 psi of pressure on the top of the drum or in the oil. We'll do the same thing. Marty, ready to start the timer?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. And cut.
15.33.
Okay, so it's about twice as fast. And the pressure was about 3 psi on the top of the fluid when I was doing that test. So that's our high flow unit, and now we're going to do the same test with using water as a fluid in the drum. Okay, now we've drained the vegetable oil out of the drum and replaced it with water. There's still a little vegetable oil mixed in there. Back to the standard DrumPreserve system. And we've got a 1 gallon empty jug, and we're going to time this.
We're good.
And this is going to be running at about 2.5 psi. So are we ready?
Yes.
And Mark, get set. And there we go.
7.76. Oh.
Okay, now we've refilled our drum with water, and now we've switched back to the high flow DrumPreserve bung assembly. And again, this is all 3/16 stainless, including the siphon tube. And we'll do a flow test for that. You'll see that while we're flowing, we'll have about 2.5 psi of head pressure on the nitrogen, which is forcing the water up through the siphon tube. And are we ready?
Yep. .93.
Thank you. Okay, that's the flow test, and gives everybody an idea what size unit they use to dispense the fluid at the rate that they desire. And we've even made some custom ones with larger ones, but that's for real thick material. So that's it. That's our flow test.